Monster dog, what are you doing? You comfy? Did you eat all your food? What's to look for? What's the matter? Why you come home and you don't act like all crazy and stuff when I come home? And now you're just all relaxed? You think you can just relax? Huh? You think you can just relax? Monster dog? Huh? You think you can? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Well, are you gonna answer me? Are you a good boy? What? Can't hear you. There is no talking out of you. There's no talking out of you. What are you doing? Are you a good boy? You a good boy? You a good monster? Touch your tail. Touch your tail. What you gonna do about it? Get your tail. What you gonna do about it? Give me a lip. Give me your 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 lip. Ah. Give me your lip. Give me your lip. Give me your ear. Give me your ear. You're coming after. Give me the ball. 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 Terror dog. Give me the ball. Would you just throw the other one under the couch? Oh, you know what? Where's your monkey? Where's your monkey? Where is it? Where's your monkey? Give me the ball. 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 All right.